There's a huge new update in the latest version of Adobe Premiere. All you have to do is update your app, and in the video effects and video transitions folder, you should see over 90 new effects. These are the film impact effects that Adobe has acquired. So these include things like this glint effect, glows and blurs and rays. And in the video transitions folder, there's a bunch of new folders for all sorts of transitions. So if you just drag and drop them as usual, you get all of these new transitions. I'm just going to show you a few of them. And if you ever highlight that piece of transition tape, you still get the same effect controls where you can adjust all of the parameters. There's even this cool new surprise me button where it'll just randomly add some parameters and you'll get like a random effect. You can get all of these for free right now by just downloading the new updated Premiere Pro. My name is Justin Odisho. Follow along for more. I'll be going in more depth and showing you how to use some of my favorite ones in future videos.